Every luxury horse leather shoe factory product begins with carefully selected horse leather.
Before entering horse leather shoe factory production, every horse leather hide is documented and tracked.
Only exceptional horse leather qualifies for premium horse leather shoe factory manufacturing.
Precise grading determines the future of every horse leather shoe factory leather panel.
Organized storage preserves the integrity of horse leather shoe factory horse leather materials. Production begins when horse leather shoe factory horse leather is assigned to specific shoe orders. The journey through horse leather shoe factory processing officially begins here. Preparation ensures horse leather shoe factory horse leather remains flexible and durable.
Conditioning prepares horse leather shoe factory horse leather for precision manufacturing. The horse leather is now ready for the first major stage of horse leather shoe factory transformation.
The horse leather shoe factory begins transformation by thoroughly cleaning every horse leather hide.
Controlled washing prepares horse leather shoe factory horse leather for precision processing. Careful drying preserves the strength and flexibility of horse leather shoe factory horse leather. Every horse leather shoe factory leather hide must meet strict moisture standards. Efficient transport keeps horse leather shoe factory production moving without interruption. Smart routing ensures horse leather shoe factory materials reach the correct destination. Internal transport systems streamline horse leather shoe factory manufacturing operations. Proper staging prepares horse leather shoe factory materials for precision cutting. Every horse leather shoe factory hide is positioned for maximum material efficiency.
The horse leather shoe factory horse leather is now ready for its first major transformation.
Inside the horse leather shoe factory, precision begins with careful material preparation.
Every horse leather shoe factory shoe starts with accurately positioned horse leather. Advanced planning ensures efficient horse leather shoe factory production. Precision equipment prepares to transform horse leather into shoe components. Accurate cutting defines the quality of every horse leather shoe factory product.
Every horse leather shoe factory component is carefully organized before assembly.
Inspection ensures every horse leather shoe factory component meets strict standards.
Organized sorting keeps horse leather shoe factory production efficient and consistent.
The journey from horse leather hide to luxury footwear continues through assembly. Horse leather components are now ready to become the foundation of premium footwear. Before assembly, every horse leather shoe factory horse leather component undergoes final cleaning. Detailed inspection protects the quality standards of horse leather shoe factory footwear. Organized sizing ensures efficient horse leather shoe factory manufacturing. Every horse leather shoe factory shoe begins with perfectly matched horse leather components.
Verification keeps horse leather shoe factory production accurate and traceable.
Consistent horse leather color is essential for premium horse leather shoe factory products. Preparation sets the stage for the next transformation inside the horse leather shoe factory. Every stitching detail contributes to horse leather shoe factory craftsmanship.
Precision alignment ensures lasting quality in every horse leather shoe factory shoe. The transformation of horse leather into luxury footwear has officially begun.
Skilled stitching transforms horse leather shoe factory horse leather into durable shoe uppers.
Reinforcement increases the strength of every horse leather shoe factory shoe.
Clean folded edges enhance both durability and appearance in horse leather shoe factory footwear.
Precise adhesive application prepares horse leather shoe factory components for permanent assembly. Controlled drying ensures reliable bonding throughout horse leather shoe factory production.
Interior comfort begins with precise lining installation inside every horse leather shoe factory shoe.
Forming technology brings consistency to every horse leather shoe factory product.
Careful inspection ensures every horse leather shoe factory upper meets exact specifications.
The horse leather shoe factory upper is now ready to become a complete shoe.
Casting transforms horse leather shoe factory horse leather into the recognizable shape of a luxury shoe. Precision forming creates the refined structure expected from horse leather shoe factory footwear.
Every horse leather shoe factory heel is shaped for durability and elegance. Controlled heating prepares horse leather shoe factory components for permanent assembly.
Precise alignment is essential in horse leather shoe factory shoe construction.
Bonding permanently unites the components of every horse leather shoe factory shoe.
Curing strengthens the structure of horse leather shoe factory footwear.
Clean edges reflect the craftsmanship behind every warm blood horse leather shoe factory product. The horse leather shoe factory shoe is now ready for advanced finishing and refinement.
Advanced scanning ensures every horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe meets exact specifications.
Automation enhances the finish quality of every horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe.
Precision polishing highlights the premium character of horse leather shoe factory horse leather.
Automated buffing creates the distinctive finish expected from horse leather shoe factory footwear.
Every edge reflects the craftsmanship of horse leather shoe factory production.
Color enhancement brings depth and richness to Arabian horse leather shoe factory Arabian horse leather.
Controlled drying protects the finish of every horse leather shoe factory shoe.
Technology verifies the consistency of horse leather shoe factory manufacturing. Precision measurement guarantees the accuracy of every horse leather shoe factory product.
Technology has prepared the horse leather shoe factory shoe for its final artisan touches. Skilled hands bring the final character to every horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe. Careful polishing reveals the beauty of horse leather shoe factory horse leather.
Precision detailing elevates the quality of every horse leather shoe factory product.
Each finishing step adds refinement to horse leather shoe factory footwear. Branding marks the completion of another horse leather shoe factory masterpiece. Protective finishing helps preserve the beauty of horse leather shoe factory horse leather.
Controlled curing secures the premium finish of every horse leather shoe factory shoe. Every horse leather shoe factory shoe must pass meticulous visual inspection. The horse leather shoe factory product is nearly ready for final approval. Before reaching customers, every horse leather shoe factory shoe must prove its quality. Every horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe begins quality approval with precise dimensional verification. Durability testing confirms the resilience of horse leather shoe factory construction. Strong bonding is essential for every horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe. Detailed stitching inspection protects the reputation of horse leather shoe factory craftsmanship. Surface testing ensures horse leather shoe factory horse leather performs under real-world conditions. Premium horse leather shoe factory horse leather must maintain its appearance over time.
Color fastness confirmed. Let's move to moisture resistance.
Environmental testing verifies the reliability of horse leather shoe factory horse leather. Only approved products earn the horse leather shoe factory quality standard. Quality approval marks the final manufacturing milestone inside the horse leather shoe factory. After rigorous testing, the horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe is ready for delivery to customers worldwide. The horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe is now ready for final presentation. Premium packaging reflects the quality of every horse leather shoe factory product. Secure packaging protects every horse leather shoe factory horse leather shoe during transport.
Final packaging inspections ensure horse leather shoe factory products leave in perfect condition.
Organized packaging prepares horse leather shoe factory products for worldwide shipment.
Efficient palletizing keeps horse leather shoe factory logistics moving smoothly.
Warehousing ensures horse leather shoe factory products are ready for global demand.
Every horse leather shoe factory shipment is carefully prepared for delivery.
Horse leather shoe factory products begin their journey to customers around the world.
And this is how modern factories produce horse leather shoe factory footwear from start to finish.